It is written in the book of Luke 1:37. For nothing is impossible with God. Nothing. Not one single thing. So Lord, I stand before you today with my heart laid bare, under the weight I can no longer carry. There are shadows in my story, battles I cannot see. But I know that at your word alone, everything collapses before you. The silence is broken, the light descends. Today, the invisible must bow, for the King of Kings is here, and my impossible situation must change today. Father, you know my life. You know the things I don't tell anyone, the invisible battles, the heavy thoughts, the unanswered questions. My financial situation looks impossible, completely impossible. Every door closed, every way blocked. Every time I think things will change, something pulls me back down again. I'm carrying a lot, maybe too much. And today, I don't want to carry it alone anymore. It is written